What's up guys, in today's video, welcome to Daily Tech. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enter your iCloud on your iPhone that has been bypassed before. So as you can see here, there's no iCloud. Let me try to put my iCloud inside it. Gonna try to sign in. This is a bypassed iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you can see could not communicate with the savior. So what you wanna do is session. I'm not gonna sign in. I'm gonna stay like that. So what you see, there's still no iCloud. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to App Store. After entering App Store, you wanna go ahead and press this profile. Then you wanna sign in with your iCloud account. Then not even. So I'm gonna sign in. When you enter your iCloud in your App Store, it's gonna work. But when you go to settings, it's not gonna work. As you can see, save password, as you can see, it says 11 minutes. Okay. Go to settings. The iCloud has been signed in. So guys, if this video worked for you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. And thanks for watching this video. Peace out.